Welcome to the Serengeti, a breathtaking stage where the wild thrives in all its raw power and beauty. This iconic African landscape unfolds as an endless stretch of golden plains, meeting the sky at an unbroken horizon, a place where life and death dance in constant balance. Here, every sunrise brings a new chapter in the timeless story of survival, as resilient creatures overcome harsh challenges and flourish in the face of adversity. Lions, elephants, zebras, and countless others call this place home, moving in harmony with an ecosystem that provides for them, yet tests them in equal measure. Join us on this incredible journey through the Serengeti, a place where nature's fierce spirit stands tall, revealing wonders at every turn. Lions, guardians of the Serengeti's throne. Among the stars of the Serengeti, lions reign supreme, embodying strength and power at the top of the food chain. Living in close-knit groups called prides, these majestic animals have a unique social setup. Female lions are the primary hunters, working as a well-coordinated team to bring down large prey like zebras and buffalo. Their cooperation is essential in such a challenging environment, and each hunt becomes a showcase of skill and unity. While the females are out strategizing in the open plains, the pride's dominant male has a crucial role in guarding and defending the pride's territory against rivals. Lions face a reality that's far from easy, as rival males pose a constant threat, ready to challenge the pride leader in brutal contests of strength. These battles are high stakes, often deadly encounters where only the strongest prevail. Lions also share the Serengeti with formidable competitors, such as hyenas and leopards, who vie for both fresh prey and carcasses. Though they are powerful predators, lions' survival hinges on maintaining their territory and the strength of their group. Each day in the Serengeti tests them, but their resilience and unity remain unmatched, embodying the spirit of this untamed land. African elephants, guardians of the Serengeti's balance. African elephants, the largest land mammals, are one of the Serengeti's most awe-inspiring inhabitants, towering over the plains at up to 6 tons. These gentle giants play a crucial role in maintaining the ecosystem, as their search for water and food helps shape the landscape. With a remarkable memory, elephants remember migratory paths and water sources, which is vital during the relentless dry seasons. Their herds are usually led by a wise matriarch, an experienced female who guides the group to resources, ensuring even the youngest calves are protected and nourished. Elephants boast a rich social structure built on cooperation and care. They protect their vulnerable members, whether young or old, demonstrating a profound sense of unity. Consuming vast quantities of vegetation daily, these herbivores significantly impact the ecosystem's balance. By uprooting trees, clearing pathways, and dispersing seeds, They give life to new plant cycles and habitats for other animals. However, their journey is not without challenges. They must often travel great distances for water and sustenance, especially in the harshest seasons. In the Serengeti, elephants are more than just inhabitants. They are vital stewards of the plains, preserving the fragile balance of this remarkable ecosystem for future generations. Cheetahs, masters of speed in the Serengeti. The cheetah, known as the fastest land animal, can reach astonishing speeds of over 100 kilometers per hour in mere seconds, making it a marvel of agility and precision. This incredible speed gives it an edge in hunting agile prey, like gazelles and small antelopes. With a lean build, long legs, and a flexible spine, the cheetah is built for high-speed chases, weaving skillfully to capture its target. Yet, this intense specialization comes with a trade-off. While it's lightning fast, the cheetah can only sustain its speed for around 20 seconds. If it misses its mark within this short burst, exhaustion sets in, leaving it vulnerable to other predators. Despite its agility, the cheetah's slim frame makes it physically weaker than some of its competitors. Larger predators like lions and hyenas often seize this opportunity to steal the cheetah's hard-won kills. Solitary by nature, cheetahs hunt alone, except when raising cubs, as the females take on the role of teaching essential survival skills to their young. In the Serengeti, the cheetah embodies an ultimate adaptation, depending on its speed and stealth to survive the relentless challenges of its habitat. Here, every chase is a testament to the delicate balance of speed, strength, and survival. African buffalo, defenders of the Serengeti's herds. The African buffalo stands as one of the Serengeti's most formidable and resilient animals, thriving in large herds that can range from dozens to hundreds of individuals. These robust creatures rely heavily on the strength of their collective unity to defend against the many predators that roam the savanna. Known for their fierce nature when threatened, buffaloes have developed an effective defense strategy. They form tight formations, positioning the young and vulnerable in the center, while stronger males take up positions on the perimeter to fend off any approaching danger. Constantly moving in search of fresh grazing grounds and water, the buffalo herds adapt to the seasonal rhythms that reshape the Serengeti. During the dry season, as water sources dwindle, buffaloes congregate around remaining waterholes, becoming prime targets for lions, their chief predators. But attacking a buffalo herd comes with high risk. These animals can be formidable opponents when cornered, making them some of the most challenging prey to hunt. Their powerful sense of unity and cooperation exemplifies the crucial role of teamwork for survival in the Serengeti, where watchfulness and collective strength are essential to withstanding the harsh savanna. The Great Migration, nature's epic journey across the Serengeti. Each year, the Serengeti witnesses one of nature's grandest spectacles. The Great Migration, the largest movement of land mammals on Earth. Around 1.5 million wildebeests and 300,000 zebras, alongside gazelles and other herbivores, embark on a 1,800-kilometer journey in search of lush pastures. Driven by the seasonal shifts and an unending quest for food and water, these animals traverse the Serengeti and continue onward into Kenya's Masai Mara National Park. Zebras and wildebeests complement each other during this migration, with wildebeests relying on their sense of smell and memory for locating food, while zebras, with sharper eyesight, stay alert for predators. Together, they boost their odds of survival on this challenging trek. Among the migration's most perilous stages are the river crossings at the Grumeti and Mara rivers, where powerful currents and lurking crocodiles create a life-threatening passage. This monumental migration plays an essential role in the Serengeti's ecological balance, sustaining the vegetation's life cycle and spreading nutrients across the plains. Throughout the journey, these migrating animals face not only natural obstacles, but also relentless predators like lions, hyenas, and crocodiles. The Great Migration stands as a testament to resilience and adaptability, underscoring the raw beauty of survival in one of the planet's most challenging landscapes. Giraffes, the towering sentinels of the Serengeti. Giraffes, the Serengeti's tallest inhabitants, stand out with their extraordinary necks, stretching up to 6 meters, which grant them access to treetop leaves out of reach for other herbivores. Feeding mainly on acacia leaves, they occupy a distinct niche in the ecosystem, capitalizing on a food source that few others can access. Beyond their impressive height, giraffes have keen eyesight, positioned high atop their heads, giving them a broad view of the savanna. This vantage point allows them to stay vigilant, spotting potential dangers from afar as they move in small, watchful groups. While giraffes may seem serene and graceful, they are capable of defending themselves, especially when protecting their young. A powerful kick from a giraffe can ward off or even fatally injure a lion attempting to attack. Despite their towering presence, giraffes face their own vulnerabilities, particularly when they bend down to drink water, a moment when predators may seize the opportunity to strike. Nonetheless, giraffes' swift response to threats enables them to reach speeds of up to 60 kilometers per hour in short bursts, adding to their resilience. Representing elegance and adaptability, giraffes fulfill a unique role in the Serengeti's ecosystem, where their calm yet vigilant nature contributes to the intricate balance of this vibrant landscape. Grant's gazelle, graceful speedsters of the Serengeti. Grant's gazelle graces the Serengeti with elegance and agility, embodying the spirit of survival on the open plains. Built for speed, these slender antelopes can reach up to 80 kilometers per hour, an essential skill for escaping swift predators like cheetahs and lions. Unlike many other gazelles, Grant's gazelle has adapted to the drier parts of the Serengeti, where water is scarce. Remarkably, it can survive on the moisture from grasses and leaves alone, thriving even during the dry season. With its resilient nature and resourceful diet, Grant's gazelle endures in some of the Serengeti's most arid areas, symbolizing the strength and adaptability required to survive in one of Earth's most challenging habitats. Each leap and bound across the plains reminds us of the gazelle's unique place within this vast ecosystem, where its graceful presence enhances the Serengeti's remarkable diversity. Hippopotamus, the mighty giants of Serengeti waters. The hippopotamus, an imposing figure in the Serengeti, commands respect with its massive size and unpredictable temperament. These territorial giants, weighing up to 3 tons, spend much of their day submerged in rivers and lakes, keeping cool from the intense African heat. While they may seem calm as they relax in shallow waters, hippos are fiercely protective of their territory, becoming alarmingly aggressive if threatened or disturbed. With jaws that can open up to 180 degrees, revealing formidable teeth, they are capable of inflicting serious injuries. Even large predators like crocodiles know to keep their distance. Though herbivorous, hippos are among the most dangerous animals in the Serengeti, their immense power and protective instincts ensuring their dominance in the watery realms they inhabit. In this way, they serve as a powerful reminder of the Serengeti's intense diversity, where each creature, large or small, plays its role in the delicate balance of life. Mongoose, the quick and clever hunters of the Serengeti. Small but remarkable, the mongoose is a master of survival in the Serengeti, displaying agility, intelligence, and a bold spirit. Living in social groups of up to 20, these clever mammals thrive through cooperation, watching out for each other to fend off threats. Despite their size, mongooses are skillful predators, feeding on insects, small rodents, eggs, and even taking on venomous snakes with astonishing fearlessness. Their speed and teamwork make them highly effective, demonstrating how even the smallest animals can hold their own in the challenging Serengeti landscape. In a world where danger lurks at every turn, the mongoose exemplifies adaptability and resilience, showing that in the Serengeti, survival isn't just about size, it's about strategy, collaboration, and quick thinking. In the vast and untamed Serengeti, each creature, from the towering giraffe to the swift cheetah, the resilient buffalo, and the mighty hippo, plays a vital role in the intricate web of life. Together, they showcase the awe-inspiring diversity and strength of nature, each adapted to survive and thrive in their unique way. As we journey through this wild landscape, we witness not only the beauty of these animals, but also the powerful lessons of resilience, unity, and adaptability. The Serengeti stands as a testament to nature's majesty, a place where life flourishes against all odds, reminding us of the delicate balance that sustains this extraordinary world. Don't forget to leave a comment on our video, hit like, share, and subscribe to our The Strong channel so you won't miss out on our exciting upcoming videos.